everybody, Artistic Player here, back with another speed art video. Today I'm going to be drawing Felix the Cat, the wonderful, wonderful cat. Let's begin. Thank you all for watching this video. If you liked it, please let me know by leaving a like on this video. In the comment section, let me know if you ever watch Felix the Cat. Also in the comment section, you guys could put in requests for any other cartoon characters or any other character in general. And then you'll get like a little shout out here at the end. Consider subscribing over to my channel if you want to get notified on any new content that will be coming out. As always, stay creative!